If this is your first time using the car seat, snap the canopy into the mounts on both sides until it clicks. First, set the brake so the stroller stays steady. Before anything else, you will need to remove the stroller seat. Press the release buttons on each side of the seat and lift it straight off. Now grab the car seat adapters. Each one has a colored dot. Match the colored dots to the receivers and press them in until you hear a click. Lower the car seat onto the adapters. It will only attach parent-facing. Pull up firmly on the carry handle or the side hubs. If it does not move, you are good to go. To remove the car seat, use the release button or buttons on your car seat and lift it straight up and off. The release varies by car seat model, so check your car seat manual if you're not sure where it is. You can leave the adapters on when you fold the stroller for storage, but you will need to remove them before putting it in a car. To take the adapters off, press the release buttons on the seat receivers and lift the adapters away. When you are ready to switch back, lower the stroller seat onto the receivers until it clicks in.